How's it going, everyone? I want to do a quick video on KULR before the upcoming week, give you guys analysis on it and all that. This is one of my most favorite stocks for a smaller cap that we have made massive money in the Discord, did really well on it. But let's go to the chart here. We're on the weekly chart here, and I'll give you guys an update as this could probably hit next week and make a lot of money. So KULR, is in a massive trend on the weekly and the daily because of the EMA 50. When you see the EMA 50 at the bottom, that's an easy way to see an uptrend, and that is where you look to take your entries. I took a massive entry rate in here, and we made 50%. Very good entry. I really liked it. But what I'm looking for too is on a bigger time frame. I can see that we're consolidating right up in here for about a month. I want to see if we can get EMA 20 right here at 170. This is going up every week, so you can see 166 was last week. We're getting a new week coming into Monday, so we're probably going to go in close to 180. So this is what I see. I think this is really good. I don't see anything wrong with this. I love how they're in the Bitcoin thing. KUR Technology makes MicroStrategy look like a real bargain. Expands AI reach with EDOM partnership. So they got lots of news in here. I think we are getting new bulls and a new opportunity, all right? So I don't know if we're going to come down here, but I just want to keep this on the watch list for next week as EMA 20 is approaching. This is where I would love to take an entry, all right? We've seen lots of plays in the Discord that had made massive money from this weekly EMA 20, so do not take it lightly. If it does go below it, you do understand there's a weekly EMA 50 here that is at minus 36% below it. So I don't think it's just going to go and hit the EMA 50. That I just don't see it happening. That's a pretty big gap down, and usually when the bands are this far out, they usually act as nice support. But if it does, you can have a nice quick risk versus reward. If it goes down 10% from this, you would take it out and then just wait for the next area down here. But I think it's very good risk versus reward because this could go all the way up in here, making a massive return. Just going back up to this area is a 41%. Let's say it goes up to this highs right up in here. That's a 61% gain. So this is how I do it. This is how I look to follow trends. This is how I look at the news, the articles and all this. I don't see anything wrong with this company. Yes, it's extremely boring. Yes, you might be like, man, does this thing ever do anything? Always take the gains. I've been telling a lot of people, that they'll take it at these EMAs that we would make, you make lots of money. You can see if you play each EMA one time, you will make 38% here. You don't play it again. You wait for the next level, which is the 10. You make another solid 20%. And I also correlate it with the daily channel. I always look at this and be like, what is going to give me the best entries? I combine it daily and weekly. A weekly EMA 20 is kind of the same as a daily EMA 50. So do keep in mind we can go quite a bit under this and still be bullish on the weekly chart because we had this EMA 20 acting as strong support. We also have a nice solid base right here. You can see right here, if you draw your horizontal line, it took a while to break out of this. We come back down, and then we finally push out. So you can expect right here to be strong support along with this weekly EMA 20 coming up. Everything's good about this. It's in a very big demand zone. I think they're planning for the future here. I think they have a lot of things going good. And I learned this many times. We made lots of money. If it hits this weekly EMA 20, I'll be back in KULR. And I'll look to make a lot of money. And of course, they're going to dilute. A lot of people will be like, well, they're diluting. It's a smaller cap stock. They need money. So when price is way up in here, this is unsustainable. This is imbalanced. Price cannot stay up here that long as you're in a sell zone. This is my upper Keltner channel. And I look at the daily too, and you can see price will go back to these EMAs. Even on a daily time frame, we see price above, comes to the 10, nice, gets a bounce. One of the best signals, and a lot of people be like, could you ever find this in an early uptrend? You can see on the daily channel, we hit this upper Keltner channel. Where is our biggest bounces happening? Daily EMA 50. You could have got this right here at the 30-cent mark, and not like you're going to probably sell at the peak here, but this went from 30 cents to $5 using this system on how to follow the trend, how to find an early trend, and using different time zones. And you might be like, well, this, I'm a little confused about all this. I'm here to invite you guys to a Discord if you guys want to join. You guys are going to love it. I'm going to give you guys entries and exits real-time alerts of a system that works, that's made me a full-time trader and made lots of other people lots of money. And you can read a lot of the testimonies, how a lot of people are just making bank. Join the click the link down below in YouTube comments below in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. When you join in, all you have to do if you want to become a member is hit day trade alerts right here. And when you click that, it will ask you to subscribe. And it's for this promotional video, I'm going to give you guys a huge discount, a discount that will blow your guys' mind. And that's going to be $12 a month, all right? Lots of other Discords have charged lots and lots of money. I don't think it's fair, especially when you're just getting started out. Trading is hard. It's risky. And you don't want to pay lots and lots of fees, you know, just to be profitable. So I'm getting everyone a chance. You know, the importance about this Discord is to learn how to trade. The alerts are fine. You know, the alerts are nice if you're you know, if you have a full-time job and you can't look at the charts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post these alerts and like in the swing trade alerts, I'll tell you guys exactly what I'm doing. I'll put images of charts here and there. I'll tell you guys why I like it. And then I also have day trade alerts. It's actually my favorite strategy. I make money every day doing this specific strategy of selling credit spreads. And I would love to tell you guys all about that by watching the day trading education. And I go live all the time, every day, by this live stream channel here. So make sure you do follow me on Twitch. I'll go live. But all you have to do is hit day trade alerts, get access to everything, $12 a month. Subscribe on your computer to avoid the iOS fee, and if you have an Android, you will have to subscribe on your computer. But once you do that, you're fine. You can use your app, your Android just as fine. But yeah, this is KULR. I'm really liking it. I think it's a nice pullback. I think this is really good. I've been watching this for a while, and it just takes time. I have my alerts set up. And when price comes down to this area, like I said, I'll create an alert. I said when price comes down under here, I'll get alerted. I'll alert this in the Discord. I'll let you guys know when I get in. I'll get you guys my exact entries, exact exit plan. But usually my goal is 10%. And then I look to scale out some there. And then I trail and stop it to see how high we go. But there's nothing bearish about this that I see. I think we're just in a demand zone. And it's going to be boring till it's not. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment. I'll catch you guys in the other videos, and I'll see you in the Discord. Peace out.